Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a network administrator and data analyst. I work in the home improvement industry, and I give VICIdial a 5 out of 5. So before choosing VICIdial, the options that we looked at for dialer solutions were Ring Central was one of them. We also tried Five9 and many other asterisk-based PBX systems that functioned as predictive dialers. The reason we chose VICIdial ultimately was the flexibility, and because it's open source. With our unique needs in this industry, we had to do a lot of customization. So the other software solutions, they don't give you visibility into the code and the ability to modify the code. So VICIdial for us was the best fit overall because as a developer, I was able to see exactly what I needed to, change to get it to work exactly the way that we needed it to. So we ended up choosing VICIdial not only because of the open source capabilities and the flexibility that it provides by letting us customize the system to exactly what we need it to do, but also that we can actually use any different carrier that we wanted to. So when making phone calls, carriers are a dime a dozen. There's many benefits and downfalls to using certain ones, and the ability to use multiple carriers at the same time to pick the one we wanted to was really what we needed, was the flexibility. So at the end of the day, they just fit all the bills that we were looking for, and it was the best solution for us. So onboarding with VICIdial was actually surprisingly easy to do. We really only had to answer a basic couple questions, provide them the information that they needed, and then our server was up and running in no time at all. The integration side was fantastic to work with, especially since it's open source. You can actually look into the PHP code itself and see the actual API. So there was no questions for me, whether it was me having to do the work to integrate a system myself or rely on their staff to do it for us. Um, it was the easiest system that I've ever had to integrate with because of the visibility. So anybody that's looking to try VICIdial out, the most important advice that I think I could give you is have everything that you need up front, your list of requirements and use cases. That's going to give you the best advantage for that particular system because it's highly customizable. The other thing would be the manual. Look and read the administrator manual for that because most of the questions that anybody is going to have for how to do something is easily found by just reading the manual. It's the most important tool that you can possibly have in your arsenal.